Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Studio Ghibli filter not working on ChatGPT. So now to get started, the first thing to remember is that in order to use it, you have to be on the updated version of ChatGPT and you have to make sure you have the latest version of that model. You can have a free account within ChatGPT, but you have to make sure that in order to use it, you will have to go through and basically have ChatGPT 40, the newest update. So keep that in mind. You can try updating your version of ChatGPT if you're using it on your phone, or try refreshing the website. So that's the first thing I would recommend doing. Go through, go inside of your App Store or your Play Store if you're using your phone and try clicking on the ChatGPT option right here and try updating it. That might end up fixing the problem for you. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing you might want to try doing is you might want to see if you're using the right prompt. So you can say something like turn the image into, Studio JBL type of image, and you're going to want to copy and paste that particular image in there. So in this case, I can go and copy this, and as long as you're sending in the right image that is appropriate, then you should be able to go ahead and get that done there. So as you can see, sometimes it might work, sometimes and it won't work. So I'll go and try it with this one, add in that image, add in that prompt, and just make sure that the image is well within their means of like modifying. Make sure it's a good image. If it's against their terms of service, then they might not end up doing it. Sometimes you might get this creating image option. Sometimes it might work, sometimes it won't be. But it really depends on how you're going to want to take a look at it from that side. So it says if you're still getting this error, it might be because that image was weird, or maybe ChatGPT just having some issues, but those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.